Jain friends, my name is Mandeep Singh and today I will deliver a lecture on Middle East crisis. Middle East crisis includes Israel-Lebanon disputes, Israel-Palestine disputes, Gaza problems, etc. Here I will discuss Israel-Lebanon maritime boundary disputes in Eastern Mediterranean Sea. Israel has reached an agreement with Lebanon. That agreement has been brokered by US. The agreement is over a long time maritime boundary issue between the two countries. This has been called as or seen as a historic deal. Now we will discuss what is this issue between these two countries, Israel and Lebanon. The draft agreement aims to settle Israel and Lebanon competing both countries maritime authority over the offshore gas field in the region. A major source of friction was the Karish gas field, over which Israel claimed that the entirely gas field fell into its territory and this is not subject for negotiation. The issue is little over a decade old. In 2011, both the countries declared overlapping boundary dispute. As both the country was technically at war, so the United Nations asked to mediate. The issue gained significance after Israel discovered two oil fields in the Eastern Mediterranean Sea, and the experts of this country explained how the country can become a gas or natural gas or petroleum exporter. Now we will discuss the key terms of the agreements. The agreement seeks to resolve a territorial disputes between the two countries, as both the countries can get the royalties from the gas fields. The gas fields in the question is located on the boundary of both the countries. So the first time in the history of the Lebanon and Israel, the boundary of both the countries has been decided. So this is also can be seen as a historic deal in the history of Middle East. Now we will discuss what are the significance of this deal. Averting terrorism. Both the countries can avert terrorism, as the war between Israel and Hezbollah is going on since last few decades. So by this agreement, the war can be ceasefire, and the energy exploitation. By this agreement, both the countries can get royalties from the oil gas fields, and especially Lebanon get the income, as the country is on crippling income and on the income crisis. Second is third one, and finally is European country. Europe can get the new natural gas exporter, as Russia invades the Ukraine. The natural gas problem is widening in the Europe, so Europe can get it's a new natural gas exporter. Now we will discuss what the agreement doesn't addresses. The agreement doesn't addresses the blue line disputes. Blue line disputes is the disputes between both the countries over the land borders. The blue lines is decided by the United Nations in 2000 when the Israel withdraw its troops in the southern Lebanon. This area always patrolled by the United Nations soldiers. Thank you. Jai Hind.